Traffic is what gets us seen, draws clients to us, and helps build our business. We all want more traffic on our blog or website. In this video, you will learn 5 methods to drive traffic from your YouTube video to any website or blog. As a bonus, I will include an additional tip I use to get more visitors to my blog from YouTube. So make sure you watch till the end. Hi, I'm Shamal. I create videos with actionable tips to grow your YouTube audience and income with video. If that's something you're interested in, go ahead and click that subscribe button below. Linking to your website from within your videos is an effective way to quickly drive YouTube traffic to it. The way to do this is by using YouTube cards. It's clickable and will take you to the website you have configured. To use YouTube cards, you need to have your website associated with your channel. Once you have your channel associated and the card set up, you don't necessarily need to link to the home page of your website. Instead, you can link to any subpage within your blog or website relevant to your video. This is something you need to do as part of editing the video. There are a few things you need to keep in mind when you are doing this. First thing is to make sure that the URL is short and memorable. For example, in my previous video, I added the text promote YouTube videos /CBU. Use a URL shortening service to shrink those long URLs. I use Pretty Links, which is a plugin for my WordPress blog. The second thing is make sure that the URL stands out. It's important that the viewer can see and read the font. Here, I added a background to the URL and also changed the colors so it stands out from the rest of the stuff on the page. Your video descriptions is a popular spot to place links since it's where viewers look when they want to know more after watching your video. Place your link near the beginning of your description, preferably on the second line. Basically, you want the link to be visible when someone is watching your video. This leads to the next method, which is asking the viewer to visit your blog or website. Again, something that you need to do when recording the video. Don't just say visit my website. If you want people to take some sort of action, you need to tell them 3 very important things: what to do, how to do it, and why they should do it. For example, in my previous video, I think I said something like, click the link in the description to learn how to make more money from affiliate marketing. The comment section is another good place to post your website links. You can pin your comments so that your comment will be on top and won't get lost amidst other comments on the video. This is an example of a link I added, though it refers to another YouTube video, but you get the idea. Similarly, you can add your website or blog link. And now the bonus tip is to use the YouTube channel page to drive traffic to your website or blog. As you see with my channel, I have mentioned my blog URL. Instead of asking people to subscribe, you can say visit my website if that's your goal with your YouTube channel. Okay, to summarize. Out of these 6 methods, which one are you using already? Did you learn any new methods? If so, please give this video a like. That's it for today. Stay tuned for another new video next Saturday. If you like more videos like this, click the subscribe button below.